Here is a quick overview of the knife tool. It's real easy. Just hit K. Now we're in our knife tool. Now if you see at the bottom of the screen here, there are more options and modifiers for the knife tool. Just keep that in mind. But for now, all you have to do, click, 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 then enter. And you've made a cut. It's very similar to the multi-cut tool in Maya. So, the reason I'm going over this, because I'm going to give you some exercises to do to increase geometry without edge loops. So, if we start with a quad here, how would we get two quads here? Well, here's one way to do it. Extrude those edges. Okay. What if we want 4 quads here? Good question. Edge slide this over a bit. Okay, here's another important tool. Control X will dissolve an edge, including its vertices. So now we have 3. And 4. All quads.